Hey everyone, I'm Sairaj. So today I'm going to show you guys how to build your own personalized LLM integrated chatbot. So you just have to start with the LLM API key. So I'm gonna use the Inception Labs API key. So you just have to search Inception here, and you have to go to this Inception platform. So I'm gonna send the link in the group. So you have to log in. I'm gonna go and log in here. So I have an account, so I'm just logging in. You just have to create an account. After creating an account, you just have to scroll through and start using the API key. Here you're gonna see the Python code. You just have to copy this Python code and go to any IDE, and I'm using anti-gravity here, anti-gravity. So just create an python file called chat.py, or any name you can give. So I'm gonna paste it here. So now to run this, I'm gonna hit the control shift tilde symbol. So it's gonna open my terminal, or you can open your terminal by just clicking on this button. So next I'm gonna get the API key. Here I'm going just move to the API key tabs, create an API key. So give it a name. I'm gonna give it a chart 2. I'm gonna create an API key here. After this session, so I'm gonna revoke the action of this API key. So after copying this API key, you just have to continue. Go here, create an .env file, so paste it, and here you just have to copy this, paste here, and equal to. So I'm directly going to use the API key without any .env integrations. So to test it, I'm gonna paste it and save it. Now chat.py, hit enter. Not only chat.py, if you are using Python, just install python chat.py. So I'm using python 3 here, and just python 3 chat.py. Yeah, as you can see, what's so here we are sending the role user giving the content call, calling this LLM Mercury-2 model, and asking it what is the meaning of life. So it's gonna give you some brief answer, as you can see here. So we can't read this output, right? So now I'm gonna show you how to change this output to an human understandable thing. So there is an other you know other chat.py folder. So I'm gonna just open that instead of writing the code. Here it is. So I'll close this and just scroll down a little bit. Yeah, not this one. So we'll go here. So as you can see here, so if I run this with that API key, so python 3 chat.py. Okay, if I hit enter, yeah, it's gonna answer me. So I gave it a role as a, here I changed the role system. So it gonna if I put system here, it will the LLM will act as per content. So if I hit user here, so this will send, the role will change. The user role will use to send what is the content that is given by the user, will be sent to the LLM, and it will provide answer according to that. So yeah, here you can see. So if there is another thing here, Yeah, now if I hit run again, yeah, you can see, hey, it's gonna act as a pirate and tell me a joke. It's telling a joke here, so I don't understand this joke. um, so now there is a we are moving to the another level. So you have to I'm just gonna remove this. You are a rapper. So here user, it's taking a user input. If I run this, as you can see, the file name is my chat.py, my chat.py. So the API key, yeah, it's working. If I hit enter, hi, I just type in hi here, as you can see here in the output. So let's, yeah, as you can see, I'm just giving it hi. So yeah, it will like give output in a rap. It's Mercury on the mic and other things. So I don't know how to rap, so let's let it be. So I'm gonna send you this Python code. You just have to change your system content. Now I'm telling the LLM act as a wrapper, right? So you just have to change it according to your creativity. Do anything, but don't tell the LLM like act angry or do anything, because it has some safety layers. You can't make LLM act as an angry person or thing. If I just hit enter, hi, angry man, be mean. If I save this and run, hi. So it's giving the answer. That's great. uh, at some point it will stop giving you answer, because the LLM layer, the safety layer, will notice that the user giving the role for the system is not appropriate, and it will stop that. So if I get another query, as you can see, there is a 400 error. So the you can see the request was filtered due to the content policy violation. So you just have to give an appropriate system prompt. You can call it this as a prompt. So I'm gonna send this code to you guys. So you just have to change this content, and you have to run it, and you just copy the output and paste it somewhere, or you can send it in a group. So before Wednesday you just have to come with this thing ready. That's it.